Question 6. A fish is moving in a circular manner with the equation of locus being this one. Locus means the pathway of a fish. If you have x square, y square, x, y and number, right? That means it's moving in a circle. So let's just assume the fish is moving in a circle like this. Right. So the equation of the circle is 2x square plus 11y square and so on. Okay, this is the equation lah. And then they said a boat is moving along a straight line with this equation. Okay, now we have a boat. So a boat is moving in a straight line with this equation. X minus 3y plus 1 equals 0. Okay. And it intersects with the circular locus of the fish. Find the points of intersection between the locus of fish and trajectory of boat. So they want us to find the intersection points. Whenever you want to find intersection points, you have to solve these equations simultaneously. Okay, so we have two equations here. Let's write them down first. So we have 2x square plus 11y square plus 2x plus 2y equals 0. This will be our equation 1. Then x minus 3y plus 1 equals 0. This is our equation 2. So from equation 2, we can easily make x the subject. X will be 3y minus 1. Okay, we can call this equation 2a. It's a modified version of equation 2. Then we can just sub this in to equation 1. Okay, into the x lah. So we can say sub equation 2a into equation 1. Right. So 2x square plus 11y square plus 2x plus 2y equals 0. Then we expand this. So here you have to expand the square first. So 3y square is 9y square. 2 times 3y is 6y times negative 1 is negative 6y. Negative 1 square, positive 1. Plus 6y minus 2 plus 2y is 0. Okay. So we expand this. We get 18y square minus 12y plus 2 plus 11y square. 6y and 2y can make it 8y minus 2 is 0. Okay, now we simplify. 18y square plus 11y square will give us 29y square. And then negative 12y plus 8y is negative 4y. 2 minus 2 is just 0. So this is equal to 0. From here, we factorize both of these terms. Both of these terms have y. So we can take out the y. We'll be left with 29y minus 4 equals 0. Therefore, y equals to 0 and 29y minus 4 equals to 0, giving us y equals to 4 over 29. Okay, I bring the 4 here and then the 29 divide now. So we have two values of y here. Next, we need to find x. Okay, so the equation of x is this one, 3y minus 1. So you can say x is 3 of y minus 1. X is 3 of y minus 1. So 3 times 0 is 0, minus 1 is negative 1. Here 3 times 4 over 29 minus 1. negative 17 over 29. All right. So this will be our two intersection points lah. The first one is x negative 1, y 0, or x this and y this. Okay, so we can say this will be our intersection points.